Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the flag register of 8086 microprocessor. As we know, the flag register of 8085 microprocessor is of 8 bit and in 8086 it is of 16 bit. Now out of 16 bits there are 9 flags which are basically categorized into two parts. First one is condition flags and second one is control flag. Now out of 16 bit, rest of the 7 bits act as a don't care conditions. Now in condition flag and control flags, following are the 9 flags which are categorized into two parts. First one is condition and second one is control flags. In condition flag, carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, zero flag, sign flag, parity and overflow flag. In case of control flags, trap flag, interrupt and directional flag. Now we will discuss all the flags one by one. First of all, let's discuss the carry flag. This carry flag is set whenever there is a carry or borrow out of the most significant bit of the result. Now there are two types of operation can be performed in 8086. First one is 8-bit operation and second one is 16-bit operation. In case of 8-bit, if the carry is generated from the D7th bit, then carry flag will be set, and in case of 16-bit operation, if the D15th bit will generate a carry, then it will set the carry flag. So in 8-bit, which bit we will check? D7th bit, and in case of 16-bit operations we will check the D15th bit. Right, now next one is a parity flag. This parity flag reflects even parity if flag is set to 1. If the lower byte of the result contain the even number of 1, then it will set to 1, otherwise it will reflect as a odd parity. For example, 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now in this, if we'll count the number of 1 1 2 3 4 5 6, so the number of ones are even, so here parity flag will set is equal to 1. Why? Because it will reflect as a even parity, so flag is equal to 1. Third one is auxiliary carry flag. It is set if a carry is generated out of the lower nibble. Now what do you mean by nibble? Nibble represent the 4 bits. So in case of 8-bit operation, this is D0, D1, D3, D4 up to D7. If the carry is generated from D3 bit to D4, then auxiliary carry flag will be set as a 1. So in case of addition, it is set if there is a carry from the lowest nibble, that is bit 3 during addition, or borrow for the lowest nibble, that is bit 3 during subtraction. Next one is zero flag. This flag is set if the result of the computation or comparison performed by the instruction is 0. Next one is sign flag. It is set if the most significant bit of the result is 1. So we are counting the sign flag in case of signed operation. This flag is set when the result of any computation is negative. Now let's discuss the control flags. In control flags, first one is trap flag. If the flag is set, the processor enter into the single step execution, or we can say single stepping mode, by generating internal interrupts after the execution of each instruction. Now here the question arises, what do you mean by single step execution? It is used to set the trace mode. Here the microprocessor is interrupted after every instruction so that the program can be debugged. Next is interrupt flag. It causes the 8086 to recognize external mask interrupts. It is used to mask or unmask the INTR interrupt, that is INTR. When it is set, INTR is unmasked. When it is reset, INTR is masked. Next one is direction flag. This is used by string manipulation instructions. If the flag bit is 0, if the direction flag is equal to 0, the string is processed beginning from the lowest address to the highest address, that is lower to higher. If it is equal to 1, then the string is processed from higher to lower address. Now in case of 0, it acts as a auto increment mode. In case of it is 1, it acts as a auto decrement mode. Next is overflow flag. This flag is set if an overflow occurs, that is if the result of a signed operation is large enough to accommodate in a destination register. The result is of more than 7 bits in size in case of 8-bit signed operation and more than 15 bit in size in case of 16-bit signed operation. Then the overflow will be set. That's all for flag register of 8086 microprocessor. Thanks for watching.